Thekchen Choling Syracuse is a Tibetan Buddhist temple located in the small village of Manoa, New York. We host many esteemed Sangha and guests from different parts of the world annually to give teachings, meditation classes, pujas, and retreats to benefit the community. As the years go by, outdated electrical infrastructure and fixtures in our 70-year-old building are impacting our ability to support our Sangha and many friends effectively. Help warm up our winter this season by donating to our Mandala Renovation project. With your help, we can upgrade our temple so that we can continue to serve the Sangha and community on our Dharma journey. All donations are 100% tax deductible. Support us today. Your gift fuels us forward and benefits so many.